Getting discount on Nike app. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get discount on Nike app. So let's get started. In order to get discount on Nike app, you need to have some sort of coupons which you will be able to put while checking out in the Nike app. So first you have to go to your Google web browser and search for coupon follow, and then you will see this website. In the results section, you will go to this website. In the website, you will simply going to search for Nike, and after searching for Nike, you will select Nike according to you. And then you see there are all the coupon codes available for Nike. Now you will click on the option show coupon code, and that's how the coupon code will appear. Now use these free coupon codes. Suppose if you want to use this coupon code, you can easily use this coupon code while checking out in the Nike app. So first you have to buy something on Nike app and then go to the checkout, and in the checkout section you will see coupon code as a payment option. That's all. That's how you will be able to get discount on Nike app. That's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.